Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy, and today I'll show you how to add the collaborators to any project in GitHub. Let's say if GitHub is working any very big project that you want to might be taking help from other developers, so you can also invite the people to the particular branch, and once they accept the invitation from you, they can push the changes, they can pull the changes, and after will give helping hand in the development of the application. So let's say that you have an application that you want to invite the people for the particular application only. So this is my project, so I want to invite the people to this particular branch, this particular the project itself. So here the button called settings, you just go to settings. So here you find the collaborators, so just click on this collaborators. So now you have to search the people that were there in GitHub, so that there's username or email address or a full name, whatever it may be, you just need to search with them, search with their username. So randomly I search dev snippet, so some dev snippet. So you just, once you click on this add collaborator, it used to send a invitation link to them. So once they accept the invitation link, so the user can collaborate with this project. He can do the changes and you can push the changes. And thank you guys, and hope you like the video. Please subscribe to Make Easy.